Up, everybody, JCO Keep Real Force King back for a weekly Forex forecast for the 14th till the 19th. Here we know every week we check what's going on in the market by looking at forexfactory.com and looking out for the news events. So for Sunday, as you can see, the market, nothing too crazy going on, just a lot of low impact news. Monday, you had the bank holiday, MLK Day. So the USD pairs going to be pretty much slow. So if you're trading USD pairs, so be cautious if you're scalping because it won't be that much volatility. Then Tuesday, that's when the market's going to pick up from London to New York session. But there's a lot of news during New York session with the Canadian dollar, as well as GBP with the BOE, Governor Bailey speaks. And then Wednesday, you got GBP news during London. And then New York, you got the core retail sales and retail sales M&M. So definitely high impact news during New York session. So just be mindful of your scalping. And then evening session, you got to employment change, employment rate. So look out for that. And Thursday, you got unemployment claims during New York session. That's like the main thing happening. And then Friday to end the week, you got GBP during London session as well as during New York session. So medium impact, but mainly high impact with the USD around 10 a.m. So now let's look at the charts. Let's look at UsdJpy. So this is a daily chart. So last week it ended bearish. We were on a minor uptrend. So right now, this week, I would look for a continuation in the market. I will see if it's going to retrace down before shooting back up, creating higher and highs. Since we're in a minor uptrend right now for this pair. Next, look at GBPUSD. So for GBPUSD, it's kind of been like assaulting, but it's assaulting on the upside. So definitely look for buy opportunities since the dollar is slightly weak. So if it does retrace down around the 70.6 retracement zone area, we should shoot back up. So this is the 1 hour chart. So that's like my trade setup right now. But I'm aware if it does break down the zone, we could potentially come up to retest and come back down. So it all depends how we respect structure. And let's look at GBPJPY. So this pair has been an uptrend. So I'm just going to focus on buy opportunities. So in the market, if I see opportunities of retracement, I will take those opportunities of the retrace around the 70.6 or 100% zone. We should start to shoot back up. But usually when the market opens, some people are aware that the market opens, shoots down, and start to consolidate for money and shoot up. Overall, looking for uptrends, so just pay attention. Next pair we should look at for those who trade a Euro AUD. So right now, this 4-hour chart, there's a strong bullish momentum. So Friday, I got into buy opportunities. So I plan to do a continuation and get in some more buys for this week to see if we're going to break the previous high. If it breaks the previous high, it might retrace down and then shoot back up even more. It's a GBP CAD. So this has been on a slight uptrend. So you have the 4-hour candlestick reversals. So understanding that, that's why the market rejected to the upside, came back down off the 70.6, created a wick, and shot back up. So this week, I'm looking for a continuation to the upside. But just be mindful on a daily chart for GBP CAD, since we're getting into an interesting zone. The zone here is a zone of supply zone. So I'll be looking for sales around the zone area. Let's look at Euro CHF. I'm not trading this pair because I don't like how it's taking a while to retrace back to the upside. But ultimately, it should retrace down and shoot back up to this zone area. Seeing if it's going to retest this area, and that could take a while. So it's been consolidating for a while, but I am looking to get on the retracement for buy to shoot back up. And let's look at silver last pair. So silver, 1 hour, it is on a slight uptrend. So I will be looking for buy opportunities in the market for retracement and then trying to catch the buy back up to the top, to the upside. So that's my outlook on silver for the week. So that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna start paying attention more to market after the bank holiday, after Tuesday. But pretty much those are the pairs I'm looking at this week. I'm definitely going to be trading with good risk management and trying to follow the trend. If you have any comments, let me know. You already know we out here. Peace.